All right, we are ready for your first assignment. So anytime you see a slide like this, it means it's going to be an assignment that you should take away. You'll work on it, and then you can come back and watch the solution video. If you've taken one of my other courses, it's a very similar format. So this will be old hat, but for anybody who's new, this is how it will work. You'll get a prompt from one of your clients here, and remember, you're operating as a database consultant. So you'll have clients from various businesses that need you to do various things. You'll go off and work on it, and then I'll walk you through the solution in the next lecture. For this assignment, you've got Tom Strawberry, who's your first client. He needs some help creating a new schema called Tom's Marketing Stuff. And then he'd like you to add two tables, a publisher's table and a publisher spend table. The publisher's table should have a publisher ID, which would be an integer, and a publisher name, which should be up to 65 characters. The publisher spend table should have publisher ID, which should be an integer again. It should have the month, which will be in date format. And it should have spend, which will be a decimal. Here are some helpful tips. You can create the schema however you feel most comfortable. You can use SQL code, or you can use Workbench's UI tools. This part should be pretty easy. I would recommend you create one of the tables with code and the other one using Workbench's UI tools. The reason I recommend doing one of each is just to make sure that you know how to do it both ways. If you get stuck creating the schemas or tables, I'd recommend going back and watching the videos on how those work. If you get an error that says schema already exists or table already exists, it's because you've already done this successfully and you're trying to do it a second time. So don't get frustrated there. That happens a lot with some students. And if you have problems with the various data types, see the slide on common data types, and also get comfortable going to Google and typing in MySQL data types to find really good overviews of all the data types that are available. Give this one a shot on your own, struggle through it. Even if it's hard, you're going to learn really well by trying this on your own, and then come back and watch the solution video. Good luck.